Number 1. The 1969 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $7,600. The car is powered by a strong 350 engine and only has a few small rust spots on the lower quarter panels and fenders. The frame, underbody, trunk, rockers, doors, and roof are all in good and solid condition. The car is complete with no missing parts, and the engine runs well, equipped with a new radiator, electric fuel pump, 600 free CFM 4-barrel carburetor, new rotor and spark plugs, headers, and a repaired exhaust system, new tires and a fully updated front end, and the interior has also been refreshed. Although the body needs some rust repairs in a few places, sanding and painting, the car drives very well and has enough power that it doesn't need a trailer to move it. It's insured and registered and street legal, so you can drive it home right away. Number 2. The 1973 Plymouth Cuda Hardtop, priced at $4,400. An amazing classic car with a 340 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Equipped with a sure grip differential, the car is painted in elegant silver frost metallic code JA5, paired with contrasting black stripes over a black interior. The car also features a Hurst pistol grip shifter, power-assisted front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes. With electronic ignition, 14-inch rally wheels, and Goodyear polyglass tires, this car truly combines performance and classic style. The car has only 3,260 original miles, reflecting its well-preserved condition. Additionally, the car comes with the window sticker, broadcast sheet, and several premium features such as chrome exhaust, N42, sport hood, J54, and remote adjustable driver's mirror, G35. The car's build date is scheduled for January 22nd, making it one of the highly sought-after USA spec models, especially with the silver frost metallic exterior and luxurious black interior. Number 3. The 1976 Chevrolet Camaro LT, priced at $7,200. It has been fitted with a small block Chevy 350 SBC 350 engine, but it has not been started since the engine was installed. The transmission used is a TH350, but the car needs to be transported by trailer, as it is not fully operational yet. Seats for the interior are available but have not been installed. Additionally, the car is equipped with a new electric fan, new alternator, and new fuel pump, as well as an Edelbrock 650 carburetor. 2 sets of wheels are also included, as seen in the ad. The owner is open to offers and trades, but only interested in functioning and reliable vehicles, not another project. Number 4. The 1975 Mercury Comet, priced at $9,500. It was originally a Comet GT that has been converted to a Maverick front end, complete with a grabber hood and small bumpers. The rear is also fitted with a grabber spoiler kit and Maverick small bumpers. The car uses a factory 302 engine, but it has been replaced with a Crate 302 engine, and its automatic transmission has been swapped for a Tremec T5 5-speed manual transmission from a 1983 Mustang, equipped with a CNC hydraulic clutch. Other features include factory front disc brakes and an 8 3.0 rear axle. The restoration was done in 2013, with paint and bodywork by Freedom Ford. Although the car is in good condition, there are a few minor flaws like peeling chrome on the bumpers, imperfect stripes, and slight bubbling on the lower passenger door. Additionally, the transmission needs work on the 2-3 gear synchronization, but the car is still fully drivable. Number 5. The 1968 Mercury Cougar, priced at $9,500. This rare car comes with an automatic 302 engine, and the odometer shows 17,000 miles, likely having rolled over once, but the new engine means the actual mileage is less. The car already has a matching Cougar figurine for car shows. The cassette stereo system has been modified with a phone jack. New tires, distributor cap and wires, front and rear strut rods, and new ignition wires have also been installed. Equipped with sequential taillights and fully functional headlights. The owner has 3 pony cars and rarely drives it, though this car still stands out with its smooth body, with only a slight scratch on the passenger side from a previous owner that is barely noticeable. This Cougar also comes with new low-profile headers that only need to be installed, and the owner also provides a new outdoor cover for rain protection. Number 6. the 1966 Cadillac DeVille, priced at $6,900. It has been equipped with advanced features for its time, including power windows, power vent windows, leather seats with power adjustments, automatic locks, seat belts, and a climate control system complete with air conditioning, although the compressor has been removed and stored in the trunk. The car has a new vinyl top and the original white interior with blue dashboard and carpet, a unique combination on this model. Its 429 engine is still functional and can run and stop well, but the fuel system and lighting need checking as the car has been unused for a long time. Overall, the frame and floors are still very solid, with only minor issues in the trunk corners and floor. The paint and body need more attention, especially the front bumper corners that have rusted, but replacements are already available in the trunk. With a little weekend work, this car can soon be back on the road. Number 7. The 1972 Ford LTD, priced at $2,700. This two-door hardtop is equipped with a Ford 400 Almeri engine using a 2-barrel carburetor, along with an automatic transmission. The car, increasingly rare these days, remains in good engine and transmission condition with a solid cooling system, no rust on the underbody, and a very good interior with minor flaws. Some minor rust spots are visible around the body, but nothing serious. Everything is still original both in terms of interior and exterior, except for the wheels. This is an opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history that cannot be replicated or replaced. Number 8. The 1964 Chrysler Imperial, priced at $8,500, comes with a torque flight transmission operated by push buttons and a parking lever. The car has various transmission modes, including drive for normal driving, second for heavy city traffic with a maximum speed of 50 mph, and first for steep climbs or engine braking at low speeds, 25 mph or less. The reverse mode should be used with the brake pedal. For quick acceleration under 60 mph in drive or 50 mph in second, the driver can press the gas pedal. The car can also be started by pushing, as long as the speed reaches 15 mph, though this is not recommended. When towed over short distances, the transmission should be in neutral with a maximum speed of 35 km, while for long distances, the car must be lifted. The condition of this 1964 car can vary, but it is important to ensure that all operational systems, especially the advanced automatic transmission of its time, are working properly before use. Number 9. The 1965 Pontiac Parisienne, priced at $9,000. A two-door model in blue with an airtop roof. It is in very good condition, with the frame and floor in A1 condition. The car is equipped with 5 new tires, a new chuck, and new brake lines. The handbrake works well, making it ready to use throughout the season. The car has traveled 30,000 miles, with a few aesthetic jobs that need to be done. You should take this vehicle home before winter arrives. Overall, this Pontiac is well maintained and ready to drive, though some minor repairs may be needed to reach perfect condition. Number 10. The 1973 Dart Swinger, priced at $8,500. The car's exterior appears solid with an intact body, though it clearly needs further work. The engine is in place, but it looks worn and requires repairs or replacement components. The car's interior also shows signs of aging with seats and a dashboard that need rejuvenation. The underside of the car is quite good, with no serious damage to the frame, but there are some missing components like the exhaust system and fuel tank. The seller claims that the car has good bones, but emphasizes that this is a project requiring further work before it can be driven. Number 11. The 1961 Pontiac Parisienne, priced at $9,000. The car has 4 doors showing an original mileage of about 22,000 miles. The body and interior are still like new, indicating excellent care. The original paint remains intact throughout except for the roof, which has been repainted due to bird droppings damage. The firewall even still has the original chalk markings, indicating the vehicle's authenticity. The engine is clean and well maintained, as is the trunk compartment, which looks neat and rust-free. No trade-in option is available, reflecting the high value of its near-perfect condition. Number 12. The 1976 Ford Granada, priced at $7,200. A white car with a newly reupholstered red interior. It appears to be well maintained, with a clean exterior and shiny chrome on the front and rear. The car's interior has been repaired with new seat covers in the front and rear, adding comfort and aesthetics to this vehicle. It is equipped with a 250 cu in inline-six engine, power steering, PS, and manual brakes. Many new components have been replaced, though not all are mentioned, putting this car in very good condition and worthy of direct appreciation. Number 13. The 1970 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $5,800. The car passed an out-of-province inspection in May 2024 and is in excellent condition, ready for the road. It has undergone thorough maintenance with various new components, including tires, a heater core, a water pump, an exhaust system, a battery and its cables, brake shoes, wheel cylinders, brake pads, a power steering pump, an alternator, and ball joints. Additionally, all the lights have been replaced, and the transmission fluid and filter have been updated. These repairs ensure that this car not only retains its classic appeal, but also provides reliable performance for daily driving. Number 14. The 1972 Monte Carlo, priced at $9,000. It features an automatic transmission, a 383-stroker engine, leather interior, classic replica 18-inch wheels with 2 new tires, new dual exhaust, a new Holley Brawler carburetor, and a rust-free body and underside. Although there are a few minor scratches and it is not in perfect condition, the car still looks great. The engine is new with less than 100 km, built 4 years ago during assembly. You are welcome to conduct an in-depth inspection, such as a compression test, valve cover removal, or anything else necessary. The car comes with enough trim for 5 cars. There is no Bondo, and no major dents or dings. The car runs, stops, and drives well. However, a few things need attention, such as a leaking master cylinder at the booster, though the brakes still work, 2 front tires that need replacing, a drying harmonic balancer, marker lights and some trim that need installation, and a missing cover on the center console. Number 15. The 1977 Buick Electra Limited, priced at $3,900. This vehicle comes with a towing package, an Oldsmobile 403 engine, a TH350 transmission with a mild shift kit, and a 2200 stall converter. The car already has a new exhaust, new tires, a new radiator, and replaced hoses, with a rust-free body and 1 repaint, while the floor is still in good condition. With 52,000 miles on the odometer, a newer vinyl top, and a history of being a comfortable and well-running car, this vehicle is a solid choice for classic car enthusiasts. Thank you for today. I hope all of you stay healthy and get the car of your choice.